My name's Kit Taylor, and I'm in college to learn, which seems pretty obvious, but I'd like to expand on that just a little bit.
The reason why I'm in college is it's not just to get a good career and make money. I just want to experience all that I can experience and just try everything that I can, so maybe I'll find something that I really love.
I don't like doing hard work. I don't like working outside, so I'm trying to do something that pays for doing less. That's why I'm in college. And girls.
I'm here in college to prove to myself that I can better myself. It's not about proving myself to anybody else. It's about proving it to myself that I can achieve a goal that I set and conquer it.
I've always painted, drawn, sketched, things like that. But in today's career setting, one needs to know how to do all those kind of things digitally and how to do them efficiently. So I'd like to better myself, educate myself, and kind of round out my artistic side. So that's why I'm in college.
I want to have a career in which I love what I do and to get paid for it.
I'm trying to be the first in my family to prove that I can graduate college and make my family proud.
I don't mind labor. I just don't want to see my future family go through what I did growing up.
And so that's why I'm here.